Good morning, guys, and welcome into what's going to be probably a quick vlog today. Just hanging out with my children. The wife is working. This does happen often where I'll be off of work with the kids and Ollie's hanging out here on my chest. Can you say hello? So we're to get some rain today. I wanted to go do... Yes, I see. That's a stump.
I love it.
You love it?
Okay,
Okay, show everyone your stump, okay? Being interrupted here by the 3-year-old. Soon to be 4, man.
very fun.
Look at that stump.
Some are groundhog stumps.
Groundhog stump.
A little bit.
Over here, just across the railroad tracks, I think I've seen some groundhog activity. So we might go over that way and see. But yeah, we're just here at the river. I figured it was a simple way to get the kids out of the house. Anywhere in the next hour or two, we are to possibly get some rain. So we'll see what that looks like, see what happens there. So it is an overcast day and we are bound to see some rain here soon. It doesn't look like we're going to get onto the other side of the tracks through here. It looks like the brush kind of stops us unless we get a little brave and go up around the brush just over here. We might be able to go up around the brush and over, or we might get down here to the river and go under that way. We'll see. With the rain, I drove the car in today. That way, if it does start raining, we can get to the car very quickly and get back into cover. And one video a while back, I was over here on the other side of the river and I came down and started flying the drone from there. And that was before they put in this landing right here for us to come over and actually enjoy the river from this side. So this is always nice that they added this landing and everything in for us to come here and to be able to enjoy. Go ahead, pick that rock up. Come on, hard, push, push. You can do it. Oh! Over yonder here where we're headed is where I've seen the groundhog activity, but I don't know that we'll see much activity as we approach these groundhogs. You gotta watch your steps, okay? See? Daddy did it.
I should do.
You can do it too?
I can do it.
We gotta climb up here.
Okay, but we'll be careful.
It's gonna be a hard climb.
Yeah, but we need to be careful.
We can do it though, right?
What? We can do this, Daddy.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Is this where the groundhogs are?
No, they were behind us.
What?
Yeah. Okay, here, come over here. We're gonna go up right here. You might have to hold my hand a little here.
Yeah.
Gets a little steep. Come on. Come on.
Love it. Or the groundhogs up here.
Whoa, whoa.
Be careful, Daddy.
I am being careful.
What?
Okay, you stay back. Okay? But I got my kids, so this is all the further we're going to be going. We just got back up here to the car and the rain just let loose, so I guess we got up here in time. I was gonna try to feed Ollie and adventure a little bit more, but someone needs to use the restroom, so we'll get back over to the house and share with you a little bit more. And
I need to go potty.
she needs to go potty really bad. Another step. Take another step. No. Okay, coming back.
I'll help you.
No, no, no. Let him do it on his own. Can you take another step?
Whoa! Separate more.
Take another step. Whoop, 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 whoop. No.
This is the group I had today. Today was supposed to be an easy day. You know, testing. You go in, you take your test, then you put your head down and sleep for however long it takes everybody else to finish the test until they tell you to go back to class. This group of kids doesn't do that. And it baffles me. It's a test day. It's the easiest day of your entire school life. You go in, you take your test, and then you sit your head down and sleep for however long it takes everybody else to finish. You get to miss class because you're sleeping. I don't understand that. Ollie, do you understand?
He does. He does. Daddy wants you to.
Oh! Ow! My jugular! Ow! It's alright. It's not Mommy's thing either. It tastes better when it's cooked. Alright, what are we making tonight, ladies and gentlemen? We are, well, for one, we're listening to the Dirty Dancing soundtrack. And two, we are making chicken and gnocchi soup. I just realized that I've never worked with gnocchi before, so I don't really know how to tell if it's done.
I said one bite.
Bub?
Tap.
No, 3.
I'm trying to do this.
That gnocchi is good, but gnocchi needs a lot of help tasting good. Gnocchi needs a lot of help with the flavor department.
I need help.
Cheese would be good. Here.
I need help
come
in one more bite.
Can you say bye-bye, everyone? Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye, everyone. We're just enjoying some dinner here as we finish out the night. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you guys in our next video. You gotta hold it out in front of you. Hold it out further. There you go.
And I turned out to be out.